The next Tuesday, in fact, is its 25th birthday. I'm going to stagger you with some figures now, and that is that the library's been averaging 220,000 visits per year, this library, and lending 325,000 items per year. It's a shame Vicky McDonald from the State Library couldn't be here, because every time she comes she reminds us that Noosa Libraries on a per capita basis actually loan more items than any other libraries in the state. I think that says something about the Noosa community. And as I